everyone and welcome to a new little video on my channel. Today it's really just a little one but also an exciting one, and I decided right after opening the parcel that I'm just going to unbox it with you together and make a little video out of it, because I know that there's going to be something amazing and exciting in there, and I decided to just quickly unbox it with you and to show you what I got from MAC. So I already opened the parcel, unfortunately, because I just had the idea for this video right after I ripped it open, and I thought, you know what, I could unbox it on camera and why not make a little video out of this. And so here I am. It's open, but I did not see anything so far inside. So yes, let's unbox it together. Let's see. The best thing about MAC boxes actually is that you see that you got something a little bit more luxurious, because you have this amazing, so pretty and kind of fancy black wrapping paper, which is not a lot, but I kind of always feel that it's a little bit more fancy than the average parcel you get. And then everything inside is wrapped individually, and I always just think it's like opening a lot of little presents on Christmas. I don't know, it's just, I just always feel a little bit more excited. I'm always excited when I get beauty products or anything, but when I open a MAC parcel I always have the feeling that it's just a little bit extra special. So yes, I see so far 3 little like wrapped groups of products in there. And I just think I'm going to start with the smallest one, and I think I already know what it is. So this now is a very exciting little part of the Oh Sweetie collection, and I already have one of these, which is this one. So I already have the red one, which is called Strawberry Torte. It's the red one, and now I got another one, and this actually has a little bit of a extra special wrapping around the average wrapping. I did not have anything like that on this one, but this one is called Death by Chocolate. This is the darker purpley red color in the collection, and this has this extra special little wrapping around this like little sleeve around the average packaging, which is very nice. I didn't know that it would come. And I have the, like I said, the color Death by Chocolate. It's obviously part of the same collection like the Strawberry Torte I had. And now this is this amazing metallic, like golden coppery metallic dark purpley red shade. It's a very, very pretty color, and there are so many amazing colors in this collection. It's just, they're all so crazy, and I never actually know if I really want. It's, I think one of these is at least €19, which is very expensive for a lipstick anyway, and I don't want to get then one of these crazy. There's a very pretty but super crazy like turquoisey blue and a bright neony green shade and amazing shades, but I know that I'm never ever going to get to wear them because I do not wear the crazy colors every day out. I would wear them maybe for a Halloween tutorial or in a video when it suits perfectly, but I would never wear them like on a normal occasion. And then I would think €19 is too expensive for a lipstick which would not be used enough. It would go out of date, it would just be old someday, and I would have used it twice or something, and then €19 is just too much. So I decided to only go for colours which I actually think I'm going to get use out, and for colours I'm actually thinking I'm going to wear. This very, very pretty, amazing coppery purpley reddish shade, which just is metallic in so many different ways that it's very hard for me to describe it. But the packaging, the top of the packaging is red with the red shade, and this is like a darker muted purple shade, so I guess that's the shade they were going for, and it's very pretty. I'm definitely going to get use out of it, and this extra special packaging just makes it a little bit better even. So this is the first thing out of my little order. Now the next thing I'm doing here is this one. Maybe this is the one, the extra special one I got. Oh no. Okay, so there was a special offer on the German MAC website where you could get a lipstick and a lip pencil together, two colors which fit together for a special price. And since I always want to get one of the lip pencil because I don't have any, I decided to get one. And I didn't even know that they are actually like lip duos which are sold regularly together. I thought it's just a special offer. So I say I got 2 of the lip duos, and the first one, I'm going to start just with this one. into this color. And this is the lip pencil Dervish and the satin lipstick Faux. And it's both like a mauvey, pinky nude shade. So I'm going to start with the lipstick, which is a satin, like I said, and the color Faux. And this is a very nice, like I said, a pinky nude with mauvey tones to it. And it is the satins. I actually want to get more of the satins, and this has amazing finish, very soft, very moisturizing, very comfortable. And yes, so this is Faux, and I'm definitely going to get a lot of use out of them, a lot of wear out of this color, because it's so wearable for every day, for any occasion. Okay, and the lip pencil which comes with it is, like I said, Dervish. So let's see if I like them. I never actually tried one. So it's a lot harder than I imagined. I imagined these pencils, for how popular they are and how many people say that they are amazing. I imagined them to be a lot softer and a lot more like gliding on and like that. It's alright if you use it a little bit on the hand, and if like the first layer comes off. The other way, I think they're a little bit harder than I imagined them to be. Not saying that they are bad at all. They're just a little bit different than what I imagined. The color is a little bit more pinkish, a little bit more cool toned of the pencil than of the lipstick, but they go actually very nicely together. So yes, this is the first Lipduo. Lipduo. Very excited to try these. They're looking amazing. And the second one is actually a lip color. I'm saying lip color because this is on my list of MAC lipsticks I wanted to get since like the very beginning. And this is a classic, and this is the color Ruby Woo. And this is actually the lip pencil and the lipstick, both are called Ruby Woo. And this is just one of the classics of MAC. So yes, Ruby Woo is a retro matte lipstick. And this is just, I would say this is a true red. It's more a little bit cool toned. It's not too warm. It's just a true red. I would define true red like that. I don't know if that's the official definition of true red. Everybody does it a little bit different. It's not too bright. It's not orangey red. In comparison to the Russian red, which I have, which is a regular matte. It's a little bit brighter and a lot more cool toned. I don't know if you can see them together. So the one towards my thumb is a Russian red, and right next to it is a Ruby Woo. So it's a little bit brighter. They are very close actually, but a little bit brighter and more cool toned. And the lip pencil which comes with it has the same name, so I imagined it to be exactly the same color. I actually have to, I do have to use a lot of pressure to actually have a strong pigmentation. That's a little bit disappointing. Color-wise, it's an exact match, so perfectly going together, which I imagine if they have the same name. But I'm a little bit disappointed in how hard the texture is. It's not super soft. Of course, sometimes it's better if it's not too soft, but I imagine it to be a little bit softer, to glide on a little bit smoother, if you know what I mean. I will just try them, and maybe if you want to see a review about it a little bit more in depth than when I used it a little bit more, let me know in the comments down below. I really have to use this to really say something. The first impression of both lipsticks is amazing. The first impression of the lip pencils, it's not so over the moon, to be honest, but it's the first impression ever on any of the lip pencils. And I guess maybe I have to just get used to them a little bit more. I do not have lip pencils at all very much. I had some a few years ago, but I never used them, so I gave them away. So maybe that's just a thing with lip pencils. Don't know, that's just my first impression. Okay, and that means that the only thing that is left is the exciting part, and maybe I will call this video like that, so you're probably going to want to see that because you're probably waiting for that. So I got, oh, this packaging is so pretty. I got the collection, the newest collection from the Patrick Starrr and MAC collaboration series, and it's the Summer Star collection. I do not really know if every single product which comes in this collection is in here, but you get 2 lip glosses, eyeshadow pot, and a bronzing powder in it. And I just love this packaging. It's very vibrant, very summery. It's brightly like turquoisey bluish green on the back, and then you have the zigzag pattern in the front. So let's open it. Oh, it's pink inside, and pretty peachy wrapping paper, and everything fell to the floor. Now I'm very afraid that something might be broken because of the little package with this. and I'm so afraid that anything might be broken. So actually, what I wanted to say also, my camera might be differently, like a little bit differently set, because it fell against the tripod and I had to. I'm sorry if it's now completely different. Back to the little collection. What I wanted to do now actually is to get this little thing out. So there's this little card inside of this little thing, and actually it's just a face on, which I think might be the main look you can create with this palette maybe. And it looks nice. And on the back here you have a little message from Patrick Starrr. Heat stroke makes the beat stroke. Show me how you get your best summer glow. XOXO Patrick Starrr. There's apparently a how-to video going with this collection, so I will leave the link in the description box down below so you can check it out. There's a little YouTube video you can watch in combination with this collection. Let's check it out. So, hoping that everything is okay. And everything is individually wrapped again in this lovely, pretty, pagy wrapping paper. First of all, we have here the two lip glosses. I actually do not have a MAC lip gloss. These two are called, so you have two mainly like nudish shades, and the one is more like a beigey nude and the other one is more like a pinky nude. So something for every taste. So the beigey nude, the orangey, beigey, like peachy nude, is called a Fashion Punch, and let's see, it smells like summer a little bit, so I'm testing it quickly. Okay, that's quite a thick consistency. I don't know if that's regular with MAC lip glosses. That's something you can tell me in the comments down below. Quite a thick consistency. It's of course sticky like a lip gloss is. It's a very pretty colour. So there's in the package you can see there's a slight sparkle to the product, but it's very, very subtle. It's nothing too overly visible. It's a very pretty colour. It's like a peachy, orangey nude shade. Such a pretty shade. Definitely super wearable for any occasion. And the other one is called Cream Pie. That's very hard to read because there's a number 828 right on top of it. That's not perfectly printed. And this is now, it's a movie pinky cool toned nude shade. They're totally different, but both very, very pretty shades. A warm toned nude and a cool toned nude, a pinky mauvey nude and an orangey, a beigey peachy nude. Such pretty colours. Can't wait to try them on my lips. I'm currently wearing a lipstick, of course, because I just filmed this makeup look, which will come probably 2 to 3 weeks from now. And yes, this is the lip glosses of this collection. I'm actually thinking about creating one face with all the products I have, but I don't think that I'm going to have time to film one in time for you to get these products. So let me know if you want to see one, if you have the product yourself and not too sure what to do with them. Let me know in the comments down below, and I will of course try as soon as possible to film one, because these special collections are always sold out so quickly. It won't help you to decide whether you want to get them or the face. So far I'm very excited about these two. More I haven't seen, but if you would like to see a full face of using this collection as far as possible, because the products are limited to lips, eyes and bronzer, let me know in the comments down below and I will film one as soon as possible. Okay, now going on to the rest of the collections. Of course it's just way too exciting not to. Okay, the next product here, I'm just in love with this wrapping paper. And I guess that's the bronzing powder. So you have this little turquoisey packaging. And this is called Give Me Light Bronzing Powder. You open it by pushing this little button here, which is very fancy. And then you open it and that's looking amazing. You have a mirror in here and it really looks very, very pretty. It's more like a drier, powdery formula. It's a very, very pretty colour. I cannot say too much about the pigmentation. As far as I can tell, I don't know if you can see it. Sometimes I'm between shades, whether it is warm and orangey or more like a cool toned colour, and that's something you probably should not be in between shades, whether it's warm, cool toned or cool toned. It's a good tone. It's more a matte. It has like I would say the finest hint of a shimmer to it, but it's more like a matte bronzing powder, which is very nice because the shimmery ones are always kind of hard to use, I think. But this is like matte with the slightest hint of a satin finish. Very pretty. Very excited to wear this, and nothing happened even though it fell to the ground already before I even unpacked it. So very happy about this. It looks amazing and I can't wait to try this. That means you only have one piece left, and that means it's the eyeshadow quad. Oh, this packaging. Look at the colours. I love these colours together. It's like a cobalt blue, like a royal blue. It's a very deep, very pretty. It's my favourite colour of them all, the blue on this packaging. Now this is the Heat Stroke eyeshadow quad. Colours look amazing. Look at these colours. So you have this lid which is half see-through. Very, very pretty packaging. Also, it closes magnetically, which is always amazing because then it just doesn't fall apart as easy. And then you have the four colours in there. 2 matte shades and 2 shimmery ones. First one in the corner up here is a very pretty peachy beige colour. Orangey undertone, so that's why I say it's peachy. A very pretty, lovely base or transition shade for when you create eye look with this collection or with this eyeshadow palette. And right next to it looks very, oh, that's amazing. It's insane, this colour is stunning. It's like a coppery golden bronzy shade with red tones to it. It's really stunning. It's shimmering so prettily, so stunning, very, very amazing. Super amazing colour. Then in the second row you have this amazing cranberry red shade. The shades go so perfectly together. Of course that makes sense in eyeshadow quad. That's actually the first eyeshadow quad ever I got from MAC. Yes, and then you have one more colour down here, which looks like a normal kind of darker, cool toned brown. Yes, that's amazing. So you have amazing shades for a base colour, a transition colour, and a lovely darker crease colour, and then these 2 amazing shimmery shades. I'm very, very excited about this collection. It looks amazing and I can't wait to use all these amazing shades, especially the 2 shimmery shades in this eyeshadow quad. They look stunning and I can't wait to create some kind of eyeshadow look with it. So this collection looks stunning. Everything goes so perfectly together. It's very well created and I'm very, very happy that I got everything. I can't wait to try everything. Of course I will try to write a review for you before I'm going on holiday. Don't know when I'm going to do all of the stuff I want to. Of course I will try my best to finish everything before I'm away. Yes, so this has been my little video for today. It's just a quick little one, but I think it's just way too exciting not to share it with you. And this collection is amazing. So now what you have to do now, of course, is to subscribe to my channel because that would be the most amazing thing ever. And I'm thanking you so much now already if you do so. Also, if you give it a thumbs up, that would be the best thing ever. And also share this video with your friends. Let me know if it was helpful for you. And also, of course, let me know if you would love to see a video of me either recreating the look of the video, link is down below, for this collection, or the look on this beautiful face, or if you would love to see me creating my own version and my own kind of look with these products. And then I will do. Let me know in the comments down below. That has been everything for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel to make me happy. And leave me a thumbs up down below and let me know about your day in the comments and what you would, if you have the collection, if you want to get the collection, and what you want me to do with the collection. So yes, thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you next week and I hope that you have the most amazing time. Thank you so much and see you soon. Bye!